Whatever food we take in our daily life has an impact on our overall health, and such dietary intakes also have a potential to reduce our disease risks, including cancer, diabetes, and several others. In this prospective study, they hypothesized that avocado consumption can reduce the cancer risk. So what they did, they incorporated more than 80,000 individuals in the study from US, and they started enrolling in 1986, and study was completed in 2016. So eventually concluded that individuals who consumed avocado 2 to 3 times a week or more in those 30 years duration, their risk of cancer development was very much reduced. However,